2 times log base 3 of x equals log base 3 of 2x. This seems like it's not a big deal to solve, and actually it isn't, but there's one really easy mistake to make. I right away noticed that I have a log base 3 on both sides, and I would like to exponentiate with base 3 to get rid of those, but you have to be really careful. Order of operations here is you plug in x, you take the log, you then multiply by 2. If you exponentiate, that would happen after the multiplication, not after the log. And if you want two things to cancel out, they have to happen one right after the other in order of operations. So we have to deal with this 2 before we can get rid of the log. It's easy to do, you just have to remember to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and make that 2 a power. Now I can exponentiate with a base 3. As soon as you get comfortable with what exactly is happening here, feel free to stop writing this step that I'm writing down right now and just say that x squared will have to equal 2x. Okay, this is a really good one. You want to be careful right here. People are very tempted to divide by an x. The problem is that if you divide both sides of this equation by an x, you lose a solution. So just like multiplying both sides of an equation by something with a variable can introduce a new solution, dividing can lose a solution. The alternative, anytime you're tempted to divide out your variable, is to move everything to one side and instead factor it out. Factoring, oops, no squared anymore. Factoring it out is dividing it out. It's just that it doesn't disappear completely. It stays sitting out in front. And you can see that you get solution x equals 0. That's the one you would have lost if you divided. And you get solution x equals 2. It was a log equation, so we better double check. And it turns out that that one we would have lost, we actually wouldn't miss very much. But you can't take for granted that that's always how it's going to work. So I do throw away the 0 because I can't take the log of 0. 2 looks great. It's completely legal to take the log of 2. So I actually only end up with the one solution. All right, thanks for watching.